Illnesses Task, Nicolás García Romero, Case 1. What had the deceased been doing during her last hours? Consider all details from the medical report and the police report. The deceased had been spending time in a local bar with her friends, her brother, her father, and her sister-in-law. Suddenly, her behavior had been turning odd. In your opinion, and based on the specific vocabulary, symptoms, and illness, what had the deceased been suffering from? What symptoms had the deceased been experiencing? Justify your answer. In my opinion, the deceased had been suffering from schizophrenia. The symptoms the deceased had been experiencing were a strange behavior. After that, he had been yelling at her sister-in-law. At last, she had been shaking her head and arguing with someone. According to the evidence and testimonies provided, had the deceased ever suffered from something similar? What type of advice had the deceased received to get over that illness? Yes, according to the evidence and testimonies provided, the symptoms the deceased had been experiencing were sporadic episodes of hallucinations and confusing thoughts due to the therapist's diagnostic. What could the family or the doctor have done to help the deceased prevent this situation? The family of the deceased might have not been gone with her to the bar due to her behavior. Also, the family have not given alcohol due her reaction and the previous due her reactions and the previous behavior.